Hi there. Makeway is a modular creative puzzle made of different bits which you can connect to build your personalized path, and then launch marbles to roll through it. The parts are magnetic and can be connected to any ferromagnetic surface like your fridge, a locker, or a whiteboard. Simply move the track, connector and trick pieces around for an exciting brand new marble challenge. We always loved Rube Goldberg machines and wanted to create an easy way for everyone to make one, says Elias Schwecke, founder and CEO of Makeway. It took us some time to experiment and find the perfect balance between simplicity of the setup and the complexity of the final awesome outcome. Makeway is suitable for all ages, ranging from a family game to the new and addictive office thing. Whether you want to add some flair to the workplace or get creative with the kids, this super puzzle is for you. Makeway is made of 8 different tracks, 15 different tricks and marbles, so the figurations are literally endless. With Makeway, education doesn't have to be boring and confined to a classroom anymore. Sneak some STEM learning into your family game night as Makeway teaches mechanics, planning, and physics.